shining on the silver track. Bells are ringing as the wheels go clack. Children waving from the hills and plains. Here it comes, the magical train. It sparkles bright through fields of green, with colors dancing soft and serene. Carriages filled with dreams untold, and hearts so warm and stories bold.
Ride with us, the magical train, over valleys, hills, and plains. Carry kindness far and wide, let compassion be your guide.
Ride along, our hearts are all the same, on the ever-bright magical train. At every stop, the doors open wide to share the love deep inside. For those in need to heal the pain, we sing sweet songs.
Soothe again.
From mountain towns to ocean shores, we lift a smile so hearts restore. Hope glows bright in lantern light, guiding souls through a peaceful night. Then softly hums the train's refrain, a gentle song for courage and faith. Forgiveness blooms like a rainbow after rain.
Making hearts feel renewed.
The town awakens hand in hand. Together they begin to stand. Old hurts fade, new love takes flight. Forgiveness fills the world tonight.
Ride with us, the magical train, over valleys, hills, and plains. Carry kindness far and wide, let compassion be your guide.
Ride along, our hearts are all the same, on the ever-bright magical train.
The ticket, joy is the song. Hope keeps the engine rolling strong.
Wherever you go, lights the way, like a magical train to beacon a brand new tomorrow.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed our adventure, please like and subscribe. From all of us to you, we wish you a beautiful tomorrow.